Understanding unity space, an essential English phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase unity space in English. This might be a new term for many of you, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of it. Remember, understanding such phrases is crucial for improving your English comprehension and communication skills. Firstly, let's break down unity space. At its core, this phrase combines two words, unity and space. Unity refers to the state of being united or joined as a whole, while space can refer to a physical area or environment. When combined, unity space generally means a place or environment where unity or togetherness is emphasized or experienced. Unity space isn't a commonly used everyday phrase, but you might encounter it in specific contexts. For example, in a social context, it might refer to a community center or a social gathering area where people come together to share ideas and experiences. In business or work environments, this phrase could describe a collaborative workspace or a team-focused area. In education, schools or universities might use it to denote areas where students collaborate and work together. Understanding the context is key to grasping the full meaning of unity space. Understanding and using phrases like unity space is essential in English because it helps you 1. Enhance cultural understanding. Such phrases often carry cultural significance. 2. Improve communication skills. Knowing these phrases can make your English sound more natural and fluent. 3. Expand vocabulary. Each new phrase you learn adds to your overall language proficiency. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of unity space. Remember, English is full of unique phrases and expressions, and mastering them can significantly enhance your language skills. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to re-watch this video if you need a refresher. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.